So this is trellising that is taking place here on this endless pool of tomatoes. It's a mixture of different varieties. So this one is a semi-determinate. I'm going to show you the other one, which is an indeterminate variety. Almost everyone is looking into production of these tomatoes, but a few are understanding what exactly is it to produce the best out of these tomatoes, particularly during this rain season. But for those that are going to make it, obviously they are going to smile all the way to the bank. But for those that are failing, don't worry, next time is your season. So this is at the moment trellising that is taking place. Why muchi choose kushandisa wire instead of tambo dzedu? Hatinyatsokaka mushe type osaka zuva rino. Okay, so the issue is, instead of using trellising twine, they opted for trellising wire, particularly because of the strength, the tensile strength of wire is almost very high, as opposed to the tensile strength of the trellising twine. So generally it's almost beneficial for someone to use the trellising twine, which is chosen by every person. If you are someone who is resource stressed, you would obviously go for the production of tomatoes using the trellising twine. So for those that would want to venture into tomato production, particularly production at a commercial scale, that is what we usually talk about, I encourage you to seek guidance first and know what you are going to achieve, and not necessarily rush into the production without getting the best facts that are going to guide you. Otherwise, you might end up blaming farming at all, or possibly not even get interested at all. I've seen a lot of farmers that nose dive into farming, thinking that they are going to make a killing, but at the end of the day, they are not going to make anything. Why so being wasteful with your resources? Because after all, this is investment that you have done, and if you do not take care, obviously you are going to lose everything, and possibly going to blackmail farming at all. But do not worry, we've got a solution for you if you are someone who just want to venture, but you are not always at the farm. AfroStain has got the best farm managers for you, and those that are going to guide you entirely from the production up to the level where you are going to be able to sell the produce. So this is the other thing that we need to focus on, productivity and so forth.